Dairy milk chocolate is one of the most iconic and beloved chocolates in the world. Its rich, creamy flavor and smooth texture make it a favorite for millions of people. The production of dairy milk chocolate in factories is a complex process that combines cutting-edge technology, precise techniques, and high-quality ingredients. Each step in the process is carefully designed to ensure consistency, quality, and taste. The journey of making dairy milk chocolate begins with the selection of cocoa beans, which are the core ingredient in any chocolate. Cocoa beans are grown in tropical climates, typically in countries like Ghana, Côte d'Ivoire, Brazil, and Indonesia. These regions provide the warm and humid conditions that cocoa trees require to thrive. Farmers harvest ripe cocoa pods, split them open, and scoop out the seeds, or cocoa beans, along with the surrounding pulp. These beans undergo fermentation, a critical step that develops the characteristic chocolate flavor. During fermentation, the beans are left in wooden boxes or under banana leaves for several days, where natural enzymes work to enhance their flavor. Once fermented, the beans are spread out in the sun to dry. This drying process reduces the moisture content and prepares the beans for transportation. After being shipped to chocolate factories, the cocoa beans are subjected to stringent quality checks. Factory workers and automated systems inspect the beans to ensure they meet the required standards. Beans that fail to meet these standards are discarded to maintain the integrity of the final product. Once the quality is assured, the beans are thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt, debris, and other contaminants. This cleaning step is vital as it ensures the beans are free from impurities before they move on to the next stage. Roasting is the next crucial step in the chocolate-making process. The cocoa beans are roasted at specific temperatures and durations, depending on the desired flavor profile. Roasting not only develops the rich, chocolatey flavor but also helps loosen the shells of the beans, making them easier to separate from the nibs. The nibs are the edible part of the cocoa bean, and they are the foundation of chocolate. Once roasted, the beans are passed through a process called winnowing, where the outer shells are cracked and removed, leaving behind the pure nibs. The nibs are then ground into a thick, liquid paste known as cocoa liquor or chocolate liquor. This is not alcoholic but is the essence of chocolate. During grinding, the heat generated melts the cocoa butter present in the nibs, transforming them into this liquid form. The cocoa liquor is then either used as is or further processed to separate it into cocoa butter and cocoa solids, both of which are essential for making chocolate. Parallel to the cocoa processing, the other main ingredients, sugar and milk, are prepared. Dairy milk chocolate is renowned for its creamy flavor, which comes from the use of high-quality milk. The milk is usually condensed or dried into a powdered form for ease of storage and mixing. Sugar is finely milled to ensure it blends seamlessly with the other ingredients. The ratio of cocoa, sugar, and milk is carefully controlled to achieve the signature taste of dairy milk chocolate. These ingredients are combined in large mixing tanks, where they are blended into a uniform mixture. The proportions depend on the specific recipe and the desired characteristics of the chocolate. For example, the standard dairy milk chocolate bar has a higher milk content than dark chocolate, giving it a milder, creamier taste. This mixture is then subjected to a refining process, where it passes through a series of heavy rollers. Refining reduces the particle size of the ingredients, creating a fine powder that contributes to the smooth texture of the finished product. The refined mixture then moves on to the conching process, one of the most critical steps in chocolate production. Conching involves continuously mixing, heating, and aerating the chocolate mixture in specialized machines. This process can last anywhere from several hours to a day or more, depending on the desired texture and flavor. Conching allows undesirable volatile compounds to evaporate, enhances the chocolate's flavor, and ensures that the cocoa butter is evenly distributed throughout the mixture. The result is a silky, smooth chocolate base that is ready for the next stage. After conching, the chocolate undergoes tempering, a highly precise process that ensures the chocolate has the right crystalline structure. Tempering involves carefully cooling and reheating the chocolate to specific temperatures. This step is essential for giving dairy milk chocolate its glossy finish, smooth texture, and satisfying snap when broken. Without proper tempering, the chocolate could appear dull or have an uneven texture. The tempered chocolate is now ready to be molded. It is poured into molds of various shapes and sizes, depending on the product being made. Some molds are designed for classic dairy milk bars, while others may be for seasonal or novelty shapes. Once the molds are filled, they are vibrated to remove any air bubbles and ensure an even distribution of chocolate. The molds are then cooled in refrigeration units, allowing the chocolate to solidify. Once the chocolate has set, it is carefully removed from the molds and inspected for quality. Automated systems and trained workers check for any defects, such as air pockets, uneven surfaces, or cracks. Only the chocolates that meet strict quality standards proceed to the packaging stage. Packaging is an integral part of the production process. Dairy milk chocolates are wrapped in protective materials, often a combination of foil and paper, to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. Modern factories use high-speed wrapping machines that can package hundreds of bars per minute. Each bar is labeled with the iconic dairy milk branding, along with information about ingredients, nutritional content, and expiration dates. The packaged chocolates are then boxed and prepared for distribution. Throughout the production process, strict hygiene and safety standards are maintained. Chocolate factories are equipped with advanced technology and systems to monitor every stage of production. Workers wear protective clothing to prevent contamination, and equipment is regularly cleaned and sanitized. Quality control measures are in place at every step, from raw material selection to the final packaging, ensuring that each bar of dairy milk chocolate meets the brand's high standards. The production of dairy milk chocolate also emphasizes sustainability. Many manufacturers are committed to sourcing cocoa beans from ethical and sustainable suppliers. Programs such as Fairtrade and Rainforest Alliance certification ensure that farmers receive fair compensation and that environmental standards are upheld. Additionally, factories are adopting eco-friendly practices, such as reducing energy consumption, minimizing waste, and using recyclable packaging materials. From the farm to the factory, the making of dairy milk chocolate is a meticulous process that combines tradition with innovation. Each step is designed to create a product that delivers consistent quality, flavor, and enjoyment. Whether enjoyed as a treat on its own or used as an ingredient in desserts, dairy milk chocolate continues to bring joy to chocolate lovers worldwide. Thanks for joining us on this sweet journey of how dairy milk chocolate is made. If you enjoyed learning about the intricate process behind your favorite treat, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow chocolate lovers. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more fascinating content. Let us know in the comments what your favorite type of chocolate is or what you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.